Respect rarely disappears overnight. It quietly fades every time your boundaries are ignored. The hardest truth? You cannot force someone to respect you, but you can decide who no longer has access to your life. And today, we'll explore 7 ways emotionally intelligent people protect their peace when respect begins to disappear. 1. Stop chasing their validation. The more you chase respect, the more it slips away. Your value does not increase because someone finally notices it. Self-worth begins where people-pleasing ends. And the strongest confidence grows quietly, without needing applause. 2. Respond with calm, not anger. Anger may feel powerful, but peace transforms you more deeply. Not every insult deserves a reaction. Sometimes silence protects your heart better than the perfect reply. And emotional maturity begins the moment peace becomes your first response. 3. Create healthy distance. Distance is not punishment, it is protection. Some people only realize your value after your absence. You don't have to stay close to prove you have a good heart. And protecting your peace is an act of self-love. 4. Let your boundaries teach the lesson. Boundaries are how self-respect speaks. You don't need to argue every time someone crosses a line. The right people will respect your limits. And the wrong people will reveal themselves by resisting them. 5. Accept what you cannot change. You cannot heal people who refuse to see their own wounds. Some hearts change only after losing what they took for granted. Acceptance brings peace where control never could. And sometimes, letting go is the kindest gift you can give yourself. 6. Keep growing in silence. Healing begins when you focus less on who hurt you and more on who you are becoming. Growth doesn't need an audience. Quiet progress speaks louder than loud promises. And every quiet step toward your purpose takes you a little farther away from unnecessary pain. 7. Choose yourself without guilt. Choosing yourself is not selfish. You cannot pour peace from an empty heart. The relationship you have with yourself teaches others how to treat you. And the day you truly value yourself, disrespect quietly loses its place in your life. Respect cannot be begged for. It is reflected in the way you respect yourself. Some people leave your life so that peace can finally enter. The strongest hearts are not the ones that never break, but the ones that heal with wisdom. Your peace is more valuable than winning any argument. And remember, the moment you stop abandoning yourself, peace begins to find you again. Life becomes lighter when you stop expecting everyone to understand you. Protect your peace, protect your heart, and never lose yourself trying to keep someone who no longer values you. This is Matter of Life, where wisdom becomes strength and peace becomes power. If this message resonated with you, like this video, comment, "I choose peace" below, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Matter of Life for more timeless wisdom, emotional healing, and mindful life lessons.